Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XRP from your Tangem wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to an exchange for trading or other purposes, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and secure. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this process yourself. First things first, ensure you have your Tangem wallet set up and your XRP balance ready. Start by unlocking your Tangem wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication. This hardware wallet is designed for security, so double-check that you're in a safe environment before proceeding. Next, open the Tangem app on your device and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, you'll need your Kraken wallet address. Head over to your Kraken account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the XRP deposit address. Paste this address into the recipient field in your Tangem app. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. XRP transactions are known for their speed and low costs, but in 2025, fees might vary based on network updates, so keep an eye on that. Review all the details carefully to avoid any mistakes. Double-check the address and amount to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll be prompted to verify the transaction on your Tangem device itself for added security. After confirmation, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP ledger. This usually takes just a few seconds, but monitor your Kraken account to ensure the funds arrive. A quick tip: always use the official apps and verify addresses to protect against scams. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, check the XRP ledger status or contact Kraken support. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only withdraw what you need. There you have it. That's how to withdraw XRP from Tangem to Kraken in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.